Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Siro app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Siro is a mobile platform designed to help users discover, connect with, and book trusted local service providers efficiently. The app features detailed profiles for professionals, including ratings, reviews, pricing, and availability. Users can easily schedule appointments, make secure payments, and receive real-time updates, streamlining the process of finding reliable services in their area. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Siro's intuitive interface and the convenience of comparing service providers at a glance. The booking system is smooth, and the real-time updates ensure users are informed about appointment status. Profiles with ratings and reviews help in making confident choices, while integrated payment options simplify the transaction process. However, the app does have some limitations. Service availability may vary by region, and some users have noted that not all providers are consistently updated or responsive. While Siro covers a wide range of services, specialized or niche services may be limited in certain areas. In summary, the Siro app may be worth using if you want a convenient way to find and book local services with trusted providers, enjoy real-time updates, and handle payments securely. However, if you live in a region with limited provider coverage or require highly specialized services, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.